Gold and silver remained steady for the day. We have seen both the metals trading bullish. I have recommended a buy a few hours back at 23.30 levels for gold and 29.20 levels for silver. Beautifully, both have traded bullish for so far. Now, big day today. We have the PCE data coming in before the US session. That will add lot much to the volatility. What to expect, how to profit, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, and this is the only channel to give you twice a day updates and target with precision every day. So do like, share and comment as well. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch. Look at gold on the early chart. See, after forming this bottom here yesterday, I mentioned it has formed a very good support, and also this trend line coming in. This is the triple bottom levels, higher lows which we have seen. Respecting this, we have seen it rising, and see on the early charts the rise, the retracement taking the support. See, moving averages crossing over here, and since then we have seen gold trading bullish. Now it is very important for gold to trade below 23.20, 23.18 levels any point of time, before the data, after the data. If you see gold trading below 23.20, 23.18 levels, we can initiate a selling entry from these levels. It is not going to come back. We can look forward to the lows, and in fact lower lows possibility exists strong. So that is one part to it. Next is, right now if you see, we have seen it breaching the highs what it has seen on Monday, and it is now trying to aspire to move towards 2340 41.5, which is the first resistance zone. Thus, if you see it is staying above 2340 41.5, we can initiate a buying entry. We can expect it to move towards 2348 and 52 as the first target zone, and if it stays above 2348 52, we can look forward to further rise towards 2360. Let's understand it more in detail. See, stochastic is at overbought. Look at MACD. This is crossed over. This is trading with slight divergence, trying to stay bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also come to overbought zone here on the hourly charts. Coming to similar observation here on the 2 hour chart. See the bullishness here, nice flag formation, and then this breakout. Now see, look at the move here. Bigger bullish move after the retracement forming the base. It is now again looking upwards. So as long as it stays about 2328 2318 20 levels, we can expect that it may continue to rise a bit. And but we have to be very cautious. It has to break past the first resistance zone at 2340 41.5, only above which I will recommend you to buy gold now, only if it stays about 2340 41.5, else it is still not bullish. Remember, it can fall back again. Right now if you look at, yes, taking the support, it is looking upwards. So it appears that this rise might continue for a while, in fact bigger than this, because see this is coming after forming a good base. So this may continue, and this could be the second bullish candle here, or second bullish run here. If you look at the moving averages, these have crossed over here and are forming a very good support zone at around 2318 20 levels. The stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is rising here. On the 3 hour charts, if similar observation on the 3 hour charts, only thing here is the moving averages have not yet crossed over, and these are still trading on the sell side after crossing over here. It has come to the same junction from where this crossover has happened, and thus we have to be careful as long as 2340 41.5 levels are not taken. If you look at, see this formation here, this could be one head and shoulders here. If it fails to break below beyond 2340 41.5, we can see a reversal. We have to watch out this carefully. Next observation here is, see this lower highs, lower lows. Now if you draw a parallel to this is almost at the cusp of it, so we have to be watchful. As long as 2340 41.5 is not taken, it is not a buy here. And on the downside, now see, a 2330 was forming a very good resistance. Now this is going to be the first support levels below 2330. If you see it dropping, you can expect it to move towards 23 26 24 first target zone, then 23 18 20 the next. Below 23 18 and 20, you should say that gold has turned bearish. Stochastic is rising, MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is flat here, trying to rise a bit. Coming to 4, similar observation on the 4 hour charts was we have seen on the other time frame, retracement, first breakout, and this could lead to second bullish candle here, but we have to wait for a clear breakout here. And the zone here at 2340 41.5 is going to be a very good resistance here. Also, if you look at the move so far, you will find we have seen lower highs here, and if it continues to move towards lower highs, means 65 62 levels should get achieved. Stochastic overbought here, MACD is divergent and bullish, and see MACD is delivering a wave here, and this could try to hit the top of this wave. RSI is rising. Coming to the daily, Before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or connect with me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, safe, secure, trustworthy, and yes, which offers a SAP-free account with the lowest fees. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts here. See, on the daily, identically symmetrical formation so far. And if you look at higher highs, higher lows, you will find gold is trading in this channel. It is very, very important to break beyond 2341, 2340, 41.5 levels, beyond which we can expect the bullish momentum to continue here in gold. And if you look at the daily charts, I have been sharing this since last couple of days, the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement. Here we were seeing lower highs. This time what has happened, it has tried to reverse from higher lows. So higher lows, lower highs. Now this is the case of consolidation here. The highs for the day could be at around 2360, and if it breaks beyond 2365, consider that gold is reversing after forming a nice flag here. You can see this. After forming a nice flag, it is giving a breakout. So we have to be careful. If it gives a breakout beyond 2365, you should treat this as a reversal. Right now I will say it is neither bearish nor bullish. It is just trying to take a shape here, but this can reverse. This can reverse as long as 23, 40, 42 levels are not taken. The stochastic rising, MACD, look at MACD, and MACD first wave, second, it has just crossed over, and this is again crossing over here. I see this as a bullish crossover. Now this crossover can lead to a rise for the near term for the next few sessions. Be watchful. RSI is rising as well. Looking, I will recommend you to buy gold at 2340, 41.5 levels, and then expect 2348, 52 as the first target zone, and then 23 58, 62.5 as the next target zone. Beyond which you can say that the gold is turning bullish, and we can in fact look forward to 2380 levels as well. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 23. See, ideally it has to be below 2318.20, but you can take a bit of risk. You can sell here at 23 30 levels. 23 30 28 should be a good support. And if you are selling here, see, 23 24 26 is going to be first support levels, and then 23 18 20 will come in. And as I said, as long as 23 18 20 levels are not taken today, do not treat this as bearish. Below 23 18, it is not going to come back. Do not think of buying. We can look forward to a drop. If it stays below 23 18 levels, we can look forward to 2308, 2302, and then 2290 levels can also be seen here. Yes, if it drops below 2318, the drop is going to be sharp enough. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver on the early charts. Moving average is crossing over here. We can see it staying bullish, rising here, retracing, and since then it is trading in this modest bullish channel. Now you can see the bullishness getting diminished, and also it was trading outside Bollinger Band, so it is trying to show a pullback. Support levels here at around 29 30, 29, 20 levels. This is going to be a very good support zone. Earlier this was the while it was moving on the upside. Now this is going to be a very, very good support. Moving average is crossing over here. This is a sign of bullishness. And if you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD is divergent. The MACD is bullish. The RSI is flat near to top. Coming to 2-hour charts, if you look at 2-hour charts, see, first thing is increasing body size. Higher lows you should see. Means even if it comes towards 29.25, 29.20 zone, as long as it stays above 29.20, the chances of reversal will be very, very high, and then it can aspire to achieve the highs here towards 29.60. Now 29.60 is one zone, 29.60-70 is one zone on the upside, which it needs to break in order to stay bullish. Remember, the breakout it is going to give possibly is going to be enormous either which ways. Even if it drops here, it is going to be a stronger fall. Be careful. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish looking upwards. RSI is flat near to top. Coming to 3, look at the 3-hour charts. Moving averages have started to converge. We have seen 3 bullish candles. Also, if you look at silver has been trading in this moderately bullish channel here, and thus this is under retracement. Now once it drops below 29.20, you can say that the bears might try to take over, but then 29 and 28.90, 2880 levels will come into picture, below which 2860 should be seen. If it breaks below 2860, there is a sharper fall awaits in gold here. Right now, if you look at, it has shown enough consolidation here before rising, so it has still got the strength for a further rise. And thus, if you see it is staying beyond 2940, when you see the lower prices above 2940, you can initiate a buying entry here and expect it to move towards 29 2960 levels. Beyond 2960, you can expect that silver is going to hit $30 levels very, very soon. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI has also seen a rise. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4-hour chart, see the rise. First of all, a reversal sign, the rise, then a retracement, and now again a rise. It is looking upwards, it is staying. But on the upside, now 2940 is one milestone it needs to break. And only about 2940-60 zone, if it breaks beyond, you can say that silver has turned bullish, and then you can look forward to a stronger rise here. Also, one must notice higher lows here means only below 2920 you can say that there are bears out here, else it is still not to be treated bearish here. And then we have to wait for it to break below 28 or 2928.95 levels in order to confirm the reversal. Stochastic overbought. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish. It is looking upwards. It can lead to further rise. The RSI is also rising. Coming to, if you look at daily charts, see symmetrical formation here, and two red, two green, also higher lows, higher highs. Very, very important now for silver to trade beyond 2940, 2960 zone, which is going to be a prime resistance zone for silver for the day. Staying above 2940, 2960 zone, remember silver is not going to come back. We will look forward to a stronger rise. It can take, in fact, the prices towards 30, 3025, or in fact 3050 levels as well. The data can do wonders here. Yes, it is trading in this bearish channel. The breakout is what is awaited. Let's see if it breaks out of this flag formation, and today could be the first stepping stone towards this zone. Stochastic rising here, coming from the oversold levels. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. The RSI is rising. So looking at this, yes, you can buy here at 2940 levels. If you see the price is about 2940, the lower price about 2940, you can initiate a buying entry here. See, exclude the spreads and then take a buying entry at 2940. Means the lower prices has to be over 2940, and then wait for it to break beyond 2960 levels. If it stays above 2960, I think we are looking forward to a stronger rise which can take the prices towards 2980 or $30 levels. And beyond 30, we will look forward to a further rise, taking it towards 3025, 3050 levels as well. On the downside, now a selling, and remember, markets might show you a different picture before, and yes, it can reverse because it is showing a different picture. Everybody is on buys, and then it is going to take it on the other way altogether. So considering this, you can sell here at 2920 levels. Expect 2928.95 the first target zone, 2880, 2870 the next. Breaking below 2870, we will look forward to a sharper fall which can take the prices towards 2840 and in fact $28 levels here. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join my free Telegram channel for live updates. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. It is a great motivation. Do watch the weekly review tomorrow, which is going to be of prime importance. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.